There's a bird actually right inside, like splashing in the pump fountain. I can't go outside because I'll scare them away. We get about easily 15 or more grackles in the pond splashing around, especially now the heat is happening. I'm hoping this is in focus. I'm having to do this through the back window. I can't zoom in anymore, unfortunately. But you can see there's one, and there's lots of places where they can get extra water too. There's a little thing over there, but that's actually the sump pump tube, and so when we do get rain, the sump pump provides like sort of a waterfall into the pond. That looks pretty cool too. Birds really like playing in it. There's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5 birds playing in there right now. And they now know that going right inside, yeah, that one bird is putting his head right in the pump fountain spray. That's like, from what I can see, it's actually leaning his head over. And they'll drink from it too. Instead of drinking from the pond now, they drink from the fountain. It's like we have we made a little tranquility fountain sort of deal for Eli inside, because he has trouble drinking out of a bowl, and he will lick right from the thing. So it looks like everybody's flying off now, probably to get some seed. Hopefully this has worked out. There, fantastic. It's like 110 with Humanex today. I haven't been on my bike for 3 days, which is really sad.